Hi guys, so today we are making a flavorful and satisfying dish, egg biryani. This aromatic biryani is perfect blend of fragrant rice, spiced eggs and a medley of delicious flavors. We'll be layering tender boiled eggs with fluffy basmati rice infused with saffron, coriander and a rich blend of biryani spices. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out, this recipe is surprisingly easy to make. I'll guide you through every step from preparing the rice to layering the biryani for that perfect dum cooking. So grab your ingredients, get ready to savor the aroma, and let's cook up the storm together. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, to boil the eggs, keep water for boiling. Then simply place 8 eggs in the water. Then add some salt to taste. And then cover it and allow it to boil. Boil it for a minute. And rest the eggs in hot water for about 15 minutes. Then simply transfer the egg in cold water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meantime, keep water for boiling to cook the rice. Then check on the boiled eggs and simply peel the eggs. Once the water starts to boil, add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 4 green cardamom, 1 star anise, 2 bay leaves, 10 black peppercorns, half tablespoon vinegar. Add about 4 tablespoon cooking oil and then add 3 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 20 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. And then cover it and cook the rice for about 70%. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the rice is cooked for about 70%. The rice is slightly hard. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply strain the rice. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add half tablespoon cumin seeds, 4 onions sliced, and fry it until the onion is nice and brown. Then add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry it for a minute. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 3 tablespoon biryani masala, half cup water, and then fry the masalas for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 3 tomatoes chopped, half cup yogurt, add some salt to taste, 2 stock cubes, and then fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add 2 cups water and give it a nice mix. Then add 2 cm round tamarind soaked in water for about 20 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves and cover it and cook it until the oil separates for about 15 minutes. As you can see, the oil is nicely separated. Then give it a nice mix. And boil it until the gravy is nice and thick. And then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the gravy is nice and thick now. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply add the boiled eggs and add the rice which was previously cooked. Make sure the flame is on medium to low at this point. Then spread the rice nicely. Then add some chopped coriander leaves, half tablespoon rose water, half tablespoon kevra water, add some brown onion, add some saffron water and add few knobs of butter on top. Then cover it and cook it for about 20 minutes on medium to low flame. And there you have it guys, a delicious and aromatic egg biryani. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how your biryani turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for egg biryani as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. It's flavorful and satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.